There are going to be times where I do not know what the hell I'm doing, and this moment would be one of them. I bought myself an angle grinder, and we're almost done removing the furniture or whatever you want to call it in here. However, not entirely or completely, and I'm gonna put you so that you don't fall over. Terrible angle, but whatever. There's no good angle to. Yeah, I'm like, I might catch myself on fire. I'm not entirely sure. So, maybe we will this angle so we can somewhat see me do stupid shit. All right. Safety glasses. I've not tried this out yet. I literally just plugged it in for the first time. It's gonna be loud. There's a freaking knot in the wire. Does that matter? Okay, well, I'm not gonna take the chance. Anyways, it's freezing out right now. And the reason I need to use this is because there are some. What the hell? I'm making this situation way worse. Way worse. Whatever. That should be good. There are these little buggers. Let me show you. My life might end over a bolt. Yeah. It's stuck in there, and it goes right through the floor. And I can't access the nut that's on the other side, and it won't come out. So, according to the internet, this is the next thing to do. I don't even have to start this thing. This handle feels like it's on the wrong side. Okay. I'm petrified. I really actually don't like this at all. We're gonna make sparks. Holy fuck! I might light myself on fire. That's insanity. Hopefully I have no witnesses. Neighbors, back off. Tiff's using power tools that she has no business using. Sorry in advance about the noise. It smells bad. Alright, there's no head on there anymore. Which means I should be able to move this thing. I have like a few of these things to do. I don't know if I can smack it. Oh. I don't know if I can smack it. Well, here's a hammer. I think this stuff has flavor. Yuck. This isn't mine. It was left in this vehicle, and it's quite intimidating. I don't know what these people did in here before, but okay, well, that's all I need. Ow, shoot, that's hot. Ouch. Just checking for witnesses. Okay, I need to do this a couple times, and maybe I need to calm down for a second. That was a little scary. I'm gonna unplug the electrical part. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's insane. I feel like I might get better at that. I still smell it. I smell it. Did I melt my shirt? No. I smell it. It's burnt everything. I don't know why it stinks so bad. It's like in my tonsils or something. Can you see that? No, you can't. I'm blowing my breath in the air. All right, well, I own a grinder. And there's many things that I can do with that. It was on sale. It was on sale for I got it for $45 off. And I don't know if every woman should own one of those. That machine's quite intense. But anyways, we're gonna go keep going and grinding a few more things. I can't wear anything over my mouth because I feel like it's gonna be flammable, and well, that's no good. But anyways, this is where we're at.